tiraste, ya ves. Che cabrona por hacer loca. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted, but I ran into an issue with the block, and now I have to take apart the whole engine, and I've been lagging. But today's the day where I stop lagging and I get shit done. So with that being said, let's get today started and take apart the engine. ¿Ves? No, vente. Siéntate. Mano. Mano. Good girl. ¿Lista? ¿Lista? Yeah, if you guys didn't know, I recently got a dog. Her name's Alvita. She's really cute. There. I'm not trying to take it away from you. I'm trying to have fun. Go down there. Cabrona. Ugly ass. Hey, siéntate. Siéntate. ¿Lista? Alright, I think we had enough fun. I think we played with her enough, maybe. But I want to get started, so let's get that going. Alright, so here's the original engine, the one I messed up. If I don't have it on another video, then I'll show you guys next video. But for the meantime, I want to start taking apart this one, because if anything, I'm going to have to use this block. But yeah, stay tuned guys, and I'll be back, because I'm going to put another battery to charge in case this one runs out. So be back in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm working on taking it apart. Just took out the injectors. I'm trying to take out this ATTS so I can get this bolt right here, but I have a bunch of stuff in the way right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and take it off. I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, I just took off the plastic cover and I took off my valve cover. Right now what I'm doing is putting it to top dead center. This little arrow is supposed to be pointing up, and then this one also has a marker down there that should be pointing up as well. But if I align these two arrows up with these little markers as well right here, I don't know if you guys can see that, then it should be at top dead center and the bottom one should line up, which means then I could start taking off the rest, and so when I go to put it back, like everything's already at top dead center, the cams and all that. So let's continue this process and stay tuned for the whole video. Alright guys, just got it. As you guys can see, those markers are supposed to line up like that. Arrow pointing up. You guys can see this little arrow. It's supposed to be pointing up to one back there. I'll show you guys in a bit. This also supposed to land right there, so that should let us know that we got it at top dead center. Like I said, let's continue this process and move forward. Alright guys, so I took a break, ate and all that, and then I came back. Still gonna work on it some more. I took out the cams and I took out the caps, and then I have the cams inside the car. But next we're gonna take off these bolts. And then I think after I take that out, then I should be able to take off the head. So with that being said, let's get that done. And I'll show you guys back right now what it looks like when the head's out. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just finished taking off the head bolts. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 of them. And I'm gonna take it out right now, so let me put you guys on top of the car. Alright, so there it is. And here's what the block looks like. Pretty fresh, pretty dirty. So I'm gonna start taking stuff to the back pretty soon right now, and but I'm gonna get it kind of all together, put everything like on top, laid out, that way don't lose track of nothing, and then I'm gonna transfer it to the back. But I don't know if I'm gonna continue today or not, so everything's gonna be a part 2. I'm for sure gonna work on it tomorrow again. Like I said, we're gonna get this shit done, so hopefully stay tuned, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow if anything, so stay tuned.